See America's finest city from the land and the sea aboard the San Diego Seal Tours. This popular adventure offers visitors a one-of-a-kind opportunity to view San Diego's best sights in a whole new way. The excitement begins the moment you climb aboard the Seal itself. This distinctive Hydra-Terra vehicle is road-ready and seaworthy all at once, with an open-air cabin that offers you panoramic views of San Diego. Our seasoned group of SEAL captains knows the city like the back of their flippers. And our first mates will give you a fully narrated tour that will have you feeling like a local in no time. We'll wind our way down picturesque Harbor Drive past the u.s.s. Midway, a decommissioned aircraft carrier turned military museum. Then onward toward the Star of India, the world's oldest active iron-hulled ship. Next, we'll head to San Diego Bay for a unique water adventure. Ready, set, splash! Into the bay we go to explore a whole new side of this beautiful city. We'll cruise through the calm waters of San Diego Bay and take in the majestic sights. You'll pass by the naval bases at Point Loma and North Island, home to some of the most technologically advanced military vessels and aircraft in the world. You'll even get a chance to say hello to some of the harbor's oldest residents, like sea lions, seals, and other marine life that live in this protected natural bay. We're sure you'll give this tour your seal of approval. So climb aboard our boat with wheels and see the best of San Diego from the land and from the sea aboard San Diego Seal Tours.